a vibrant and nurturing Polytechnic Service College for transforming lives and communities. To improve the lives of people and communities through quality instruction, innovation, productivity, initiative, environment, and industry, feasible technologies, resources, mobilization, and transformational outreach program and services. The program prepares students to be IT professionals who are well-versed in application, installation, operation, development, and maintenance administration, as well as engage in lifelong learning endeavors which are capable of contributing in research, extension, and resources generation in the field of information technologies. Number 1. To practice in advanced human resource in the field of information technology, especially in the development, installation, maintenance, operation, and management of information technology. Number 2. To develop students with critical thinking through research and extension activities. Number 3. To strengthen values which are desirable in the information technology professions and the common goal. Dreams and visions within the mighty novels, a place to say his chance to live and grow. Men endowed with wisdom and honor, molded by our society. Singing virtues of praises, Ilocos or Polytechnic State College, the place where you and I belong. Long live our alma mater. Once realized, built to close every heart, with warm motherly embrace for all. Like an hiding, shining armor, guiding star of searching souls. We're singing victorious of praises, Ilocos or Polytechnic State College, the place when you and I belong. Long live our alma mater. Your request to pride us with enlightened minds, to prime us completely in the endeavors, enabling to share wherever we are towards greater heights. We go forth and serve God and fellow men, for reaching we will shine. We're singing victorious of praises, Ilocos or Polytechnic State College, the place when you and I belong. Long live our alma mater. Long live our alma mater. Long live ISPS.